There are several types of errors that you can encounter while working with Excel. Some of these errors could be due to incorrect data or incorrect formulas. However, few of these are due to missing data. Now, the data could be missing due to omission, or you may be just waiting to receive it from others. In such cases, if Excel displays an error, it can cause unnecessary confusion, and it's not an actual representation of the situation too. In situations like these, you can use IFERROR and manage these errors gracefully. Let's take a look. In the example here, we have a list of salespeople and their monthly sales. Their managers have listed down the commission percentage for each one of them. They decided the commission percentage based on their overall performance. The finance manager wants to calculate the total commission that the company would need to pay. So to do that, the finance manager writes a simple formula. She writes the formula for Amy in the cell D2. The formula is B2 multiplied by C2. And as she copies the formula, she sees an error for Billy and Jim. This is because she hasn't received the commission details for both of them. She also cannot see the total commission the company needs to pay. As an option, she can delete their formulas for now and she will get the interim total. However, that is not an elegant solution. Another option is to use the IFERROR function. Let's write that in the cell E2. The IFERROR function is simple. For the first parameter, value, it asks you to write the expression. For the second parameter, value if error, you need to provide the action in case there is an error while solving the expression. So our expression is simple, B2 multiplied by C2. And in case there is an error, we can display the message not finalized. We will receive the error when the commission percentage has not been finalized, and therefore instead of displaying the error, we want to say not finalized. Now as we copy the formula, we do not get an error for Billy and Jim. Instead, we get the custom message not finalized. And in all other places, the commission is exactly the same. And we also get the interim total. So our finance manager knows that the company would need to pay at least $34,950 as commissions. So this is far more useful for the finance manager rather than seeing the hash value error. Besides providing text, you can also provide formulas in the second parameter of the IFERROR function. Let's assume that the finance manager wants to get a better sense of the total commission the company would need to pay. She knows from experience that the minimum commission awarded is 5%. So she can award a 5% commission wherever the commission is not yet finalized. This will help her see a much clearer picture of the total outflow. Let's write that formula in column F2. The first part is a repeat of what we wrote in cell E2. IFERROR B2 multiplied by C2. And for value IFERROR, we will write B2 multiplied by 5%. Which means if the commission is not yet finalized, then award a 5% commission temporarily. We get the value of $2,050 for Amy as her commission percentage has been decided. As we copy the formula, this time instead of seeing an error or a custom text, we see a commission value for Billy and Jim. The total is $39,450. Now the finance manager knows that this total value may change, but she has a fairly good sense of how much total commission the company would need to pay. So that's how you use IFERROR. It's a simple formula, yet powerful. It very nicely conceals errors caused because of data. And when used smartly, they can even handle complex calculation in a simple way. Hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.